let's see what we got here, because I've ordered a few items from Shein and it just arrived today. Hopefully they are okay. Sometimes Shein mga palangga, I find it na hit and miss yung Shein ba. There are items na it is a good quality, but there are items din na hindi medyo kagandahan, lalo na yung quality ng item. So first dito is pumili ako ng sandal, wedge sandal. So magkasya naman siya. Yes, that feels comfortable. I've ordered two actually. And this one naman is, ano siya, medyo may pagka-cream na kulay niya. So, we need to wear them para sa actual lakad talaga. This is another one. You know, ito, nagkamali ako. Kailangan ko to actually i-return. I've ordered 3 pieces of this. I don't know why, but hindi ko siya napansin. May kasama na pala siyang padding dito sa loob. That's good. Another skirt. This is the skirt that I was excited to see kasi sobrang ganda niya tingnan sa ano ba, sa model doon. Sana hindi siya mahaba. And nag-order din ako na mga hair clips. Ganda na ng hair clips na to. Ano? Hindi ba? So cute. Another one. Ay, ang laki pala niya. Very malaki day. Yeah, very malaki. Hindi siya hindi siya bagay sa nailagay dito kasi malaki siya. And yeah, lastly ito. Para sa trabaho ba? Hindi ko nga alam to kung paano to gamitin. You're just gonna put your hair or something? I don't know. Hello, good morning. Good morning mga loves. So today is another day and kikitain ko ngayon si Janina. It's 9:40 already in the morning. I said 10 o'clock for our appointment. But every time kasi nagkikita kami, guilty ako kasi itong restaurant na kinikitaan namin, ano siya, malapit lang sa amin, like as in less than 5 minutes. Hi! And yeah, I go early because she's always there early. So I'm pretty sure she's there already. How do I look?
Very hot and sexy, darling. Bye, darling. Have a nice breakfast. I won't have any breakfast.
You can come.
I'll stay slim.
Come and join us.
No. No. So we'll go Tesco after that.
Okay, we're going to Tesco afterwards.
Down here when you come back.
Where?
Yeah.
In here?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, bye-bye, honey.
Right.
Okay, see you shortly. Okay, I will do. Let's go. So, ayun na nga. Every time na nakikita kami, hindi naman ako late, but bang on time talaga ba? Pag sinabi kong 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock talaga ako dumating. Whereas, pag malayo yung kikitaan namin, I'm always there early. Kaya pala, yung mga katrabaho ko din na malapit sa hospital na natatrabaho, dumadating talaga sila sa shift. Bang on time, like 8 o'clock. Nandito na ako mga palangga. Hindi ko makita si Janina. Ano na, 10 to 10 na. It's probably, na-realize na ba na, si Mia, palaging on time na lang pag nakikita kami dito. Kaya siguro isipan yun na, na lang, na not to be here early. I will have a look in the front, but right at this moment, I cannot see her. Mayroon kasi siyang dalawang car park dito, which is the back and the front. I did not park in the front kasi may mga motorbike already. Let's go na lang. Nahiya kasi akong lumabas. Na ako lang mag-isa ba? Wala akong kasama. Wala pa nga si Janina mga loves. Wala din yung sasakyan niya dito. Maghintay lang muna ako dito. Itong suot na sandal ko mga loves, galing to charity shop. Ano siya, Mark and Spencer, 7 pounds. Meron lang siyang kaunting damage dito. Parang kinain nata ng aso dito. Yan. Pero apart from that, it's brand new. Pero ang napansin ko, masakit dito siya. It's pressing down on my big toe. Hindi pa nga malayo yung nilakad ko. Pero maganda siya ha. Pero hindi nga lang siya comfortable isuot at the moment. Sana hindi nakalimutan ni Janina na magde-date tayo ngayon. Tingnan yung mga palangga ko. Ano yung nakita ko? Yung Dubai style chocolate. 10 pounds ha. Ganito kaliit. 145 grams. Pang mahal naman. Ito kasi yung nakikita ko sa TikTok na nagba-viral. But I'm not buying anything. Summer na summery yung outfit ni Jan, oh. Yes. Yeah, yeah. Magsiswimming na ako mga loves. So, it's midday. Ooh, it's warm. 34 degrees. Ako lang yung magsiswimming because John don't want to have a swim right now because it's too warm for him. Gusto ko mag-swimming ngayon na kasi hindi pa busog ba? Kasi typically talaga nagsiswimming kami after tea time na. Oh gosh. Magpipicture-picture muna ako before tayo mag-swim ha, para meron naman tayong pa-aura-aura. break time tayo sa ating swimming. So, mag-ice cream muna tayo. Tapos, itong, yan. Itong wine. Char, joke lang eh. Nilagay ko siya ng strawberry para medyo aesthetic siya. Tingnan ba? It's 36 degrees. Can you believe that? Diligan natin ulit yung ating fruit trees. Because they're very thirsty. I really think our pear, mga loves, we need another pear tree kasi noong bago pa lang to, may mga blossom to at akala ko nga magde-develop into fruits talaga. Wala, nalaglag lahat. Kailangan natin itong extension kasi hindi to abot doon sa pinakamalayong fruit trees natin. Doon naman si Jan, oh. Tingnan niyo kung ano yung ginagawa. May mini-measure. That's enough. Tinutulungan talaga ako ni Jan, mga loves. Sabi ko, you go inside. Ayaw niya.